Complete the sentence. When I was young, I blank very fast. Can or could? The answer is could. Okay, ang can at could ay parehong pwedeng gamitin when we talk about ability. Okay? Yung can ay could ay mga halimbawa ng modal auxiliary verbs or simply modal. Sa ibang libro, modals. Sa ibang libro, modal auxiliaries. Sa ibang libro, modal verbs. Okay? So again, yung can at could ay pwedeng gamitin when we talk about ability or yung ating kakayahan. Okay. Ngayon, ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng can at could when we talk about ability? Yung can ay ginagamit when we talk about our present ability. For example, I can write a novel. I can sing, I can dance, I can cook. So, sa mga sentences na yan, ginamit natin yung can. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga kakayahan natin sa ngayon or at present or in general. Ngayon, yung could naman ay yung past form ng can kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin ay yung ability ha. So, itong could ay pwedeng gamitin kapag ang pinag-uusapan natin or kapag ang kinukwento natin ay yung mga bagay na kaya natin gawin in the past. So, katulad nga sa sentence, when I was young, I could run very fast. On yung first part ng sentence na when I was young, ay isang clue na ito or ang sinasabi dyan ay kung ano yung nakaraan, kung ano yung kaya kong gawin when I was young. O kaya could ang ginamit natin. How about you? What things could you do before that you can't do now? Write your answer in the comments.